Unleash crystal clear sound with the DJI Mic Mini. Tired of poor audio quality ruining your content? The DJI Mic Mini is here to revolutionize your sound experience. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or recording professionally, this wireless microphone system delivers studio-grade audio with unmatched convenience. Why choose the DJI Mic Mini? Compact and ultralight design. Perfect for on-the-go creators, this mic is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for long shoots and travel. Dual transmitters plus single receiver. Capture conversations or interviews seamlessly with 2 transmitters and a single receiver. Rich, detailed audio. Experience sound like never before with DJI's advanced noise cancelling technology and automatic limiting for smooth, distortion-free recording. Features you'll love: 48 hours of use. With a charging case that keeps you powered up, you're always ready to record. Universal compatibility, works effortlessly with cameras, iPhones, Android devices, and more. Plug and play simplicity, no complicated setup, just pair and go. Perfect for every creator, whether you're shooting, vlogs, interviews, podcasts, live streams. The DJI Mic Mini ensures your voice is heard loud and clear, no matter the environment. What feature of the DJI Mic Mini excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best tech gear for creators. Upgrade your audio game today with the DJI Mic Mini. Your audience will thank you.